Alright, boy. We're busting out the big guns already.
We got the DeWalt 20-volt brushless.
Half inch.
Wait, going on?
I farted.
I can smell that shit. Oh my fuck! We've been trying for 20 minutes with a breaker bar and already broke an extension to get this bolt off, so I'm gonna break the extension, bro. Fuck.
Oh, holy shit. It's like...
I don't know what to do. This bitch on there. We'll be right back. What are you gonna do?
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. We got a late start going on. Started working on the car already, but right now we are installing some CX Racing coilovers on the Lexus. And so pretty much right now we cracked the top hat bolts loose, and we got this big bolt on the bottom. It's a 17 mil. We got that one loose, but this one is not coming loose, and Colin just got it because Colin's a god. If anyone needs to get their bolts loose, just hit up Colin. His number is gonna be right here. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, we have this massive breaker bar from Harbor Freight, and then we use the jack handle on top of it. That wasn't working for the longest time. Then we hit it with a half-inch impact, and holy smokes, like nothing was happening. But
See, Tim, this is why we gotta get that fucking 3.5 foot breaker bar.
Yeah, so me and Colin have this plan to like buy a 3.5 foot breaker bar. It's like, yeah, like 3 foot, because when you're doing it, yeah, it's like almost 4 feet, because whenever you're doing a timing belt on a JZ engine, the crank bolt is literally just torqued on there. So
well, it's like it gets corroded on there, and then it torques it even fucking harder. Like,
yeah, so you need like a massive breaker bar. So that's irrelevant to what we're doing right now, but this is a thought we're gonna do in the future. Anyways, we're gonna get these front coilovers out, or whatever the hell these are. They have like some teen lowering springs on them. I guess that's kind of cool, but yeah, now we're gonna throw these in. If you saw my parts unboxing video, you would have seen these coilovers, and let me throw them down right here for you. So these are some CX Racing coilovers. I bought these ones from my friend Noah. I think these are like $6.50 shipped from CX Racing. And then I had some 326 power springs laying around the garage, so I decided to throw those bad boys on because these came with 12K spring rates, but I decided if we're going really low, we're gonna need stiffer spring rates, and these 326 power springs have 14K spring rates, so that'll be very helpful. So we're gonna get back to the install, and I'll get you an update in a sec. So yeah, that's how you get the bolt out of the coilover, the bottom main bolt, because it's like kind of hard to hammer it out normally. So you put a screwdriver there or a punch, and then you hit the screwdriver and the bolt will fly on out. Alright, so we figured it out, getting the stock one out, the stock shock. Stock suspension sucks, but the strategy to making things easier on yourself is to get the bolts loose on the upper control arm. It's a 14 millimeter bolt. I used the double wrench method to break it loose, and yeah, you pull those bad boys out, and then this upper control arm will drop, and you can get all the room in the world to get this strut out of the car, and then you can easily just put the bolts back in with nothing in there, no coilover, because the aftermarket coilovers are so small, they just fit right in super easily. So that's what we're doing right now. We're bolting in this new coilover. Right now Colin's hooking up the line for the brake fluid.
no, this is the ABS.
Yeah, but the brake fluid goes through that line. It's like a bracket.
This one.
Oh, what?
This is just a sensor.
Oh, okay. So that's an ABS sensor line right there.
Yep.
I did not know that. See, I'm learning these things. That's what happens when you, I used to own a Miata, so.
They didn't even have ABS, did they?
Yeah, I didn't even have ABS on the Miata, so I'm like, all that shit's like, new technology. Am I super zoomed in right now? Shit. What's up?
I said, what a time to be alive.
I know, right? The car's coming along, guys. I'm excited. I am loving it. All right, guys, the man of the hour is here.
Howdy ho.
We got Nick here.
How's it going?
So we got this other coilover out, or Colin's putting that CX one right now. But Nick dropped off a valve cover to his 240, so I'm gonna be restoring this for his 240 SX project. He's got a S13 hatchback.
That's true.
And yeah, a few years ago we made a video talking about that car, and we don't talk about it.
Yeah, well, you know, it sits in my side yard, and every once in a while I'll go look at it, and I'm like, nah, go back inside.
And we're still gonna raise it up probably because we don't have any settings on them or anything.
Yeah, we don't know what it's gonna look like, but
Oh my god.
what does it look like? Holy shit!
You know what the funniest part is? I raised these like a ton. Tim saw me. He's like, keep raising them. I'm like, alright. And now literally it's like almost tucking rim. Okay.
Yo, damn. Alright, so
No, you can drive it, you just can't turn more than like 20.
CX Racing coilovers go unlimited low. Like you can do the GTA stanch glitch on these bitches.
Oh, our frame banging.
Oh, we're scraping. Gotta go on an angle. Oh! Damn, you cleared that.
That's right. Don't worry though. Don't worry. We're on bags.
Okay. Time out. All right, we got the all the coilovers in. We adjusted the heights a little bit. May or may not raise it a tiny bit, but here's how it looks. We ain't raising that bitch. So she dumped on stocks right now. Let's go look at it tucking the rears right now. Woo. And then there's Colin's car. Damn, bro, fitment, dude, look at that. Just kidding. It's just slow, that's why it's cool. And man, yeah, we spent a long time cleaning this interior. Shampooing the carpets, shampooing everything, 2 car bombs, air sanitizers, because the previous owner smoked, new seats, front and rear. Literally everything's fresh in this thing. So, she's coming together, boys. She's coming together, and I am so happy and so excited. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install front grille, window visors, blinking brake lights, and a stock radio.
And a headlight. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, and a broken headlight. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we haven't done this in the last couple videos, but got any words of wisdom for the subscribers, my son?
Alright guys, the key to life, you buy an IS, you buy CX Racing coilovers. That's about it. That's all I gotta do. That's it.
There you have it.
That's literally it.
See you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.